Okay, we're in the Sonos booth. This is the Sonos Ace, no? So Sonos is known for their black and white or muted colors. So this is the Sonos Ace, their only model of a headset. It's 28,990. May Christmas, ano ba ta? Christmas, meron? Ano promo niya? 24,999. Less 4,000, 24,990 until end of December. So hanggang December 31. So this is may Dolby Atmos siya, spatial audio, lossless audio, USB, rapid charging, Bluetooth, active noise cancellation. Yan, works with Apple and Android. So this is the Ace.